Several files released by the U.S. Department of Justice in connection with investigations into convicted sex trafficker Jeffrey Epstein have reportedly disappeared from the public website, including one that featured former President Donald Trump. Thousands of documents were made public on Friday, December 19, following the signing of the Epstein Files Transparency Act, which requires all related records to be released and made searchable. Within a day, at least 16 files were removed from the DOJ's webpage, including a photograph involving Trump, 79. Deputy Attorney General Todd Blanche later addressed the removals during a television appearance, stating that the files were taken down to protect victims. He explained that several photographs were removed after concerns were raised following a New York judge's order requiring the DOJ to consider input from victims or victims' rights groups regarding sensitive material. Blanche said that when concerns arise, particularly involving photographs of women whose status as victims may be unclear, the department removes the material immediately. He added that the DOJ may redact faces or identifying details before reposting the content. He emphasized that the department is fully complying with the law and stated that Trump has nothing to hide in relation to the Epstein files. Blanche also said the materials released so far, as well as those planned for release in the coming weeks, align exactly with what the statute requires. When asked about a removed image that appeared to show a desk drawer containing a photo of Trump, Blanche said the decision to remove it had nothing to do with Trump himself, but rather concerns related to photographs of women visible in the image. Blanche also explained that the ongoing review process is necessary to ensure victim protection, which is why not all documents have been released yet. The DOJ's initial release consisted of 5 separate datasets containing approximately 3,900 files. These included a wide range of materials, such as scanned books, a heavily redacted 119-page grand jury filing, and a police report in which a young woman alleged Epstein threatened to burn down her house. Blanche had previously stated that the DOJ would not be able to release all Epstein-related files within the required 30-day period. In a public statement, he said the department needed additional time to complete redactions across hundreds of thousands of pages. Additional responsive materials will be released as our review continues, consistent with the law and with protections for victims, he said. The released files also include images connected to several high-profile public figures and celebrities, including Bill Clinton, Kevin Spacey, and Michael Jackson. Jeffrey Epstein died in August 2019. At age 66. He was found hanging in his jail cell at the Metropolitan Correctional Center in New York City while awaiting trial on federal sex trafficking and conspiracy charges. His death was ruled a suicide. If you or someone you know has experienced sexual abuse or assault, confidential help is available through crisis support services and sexual assault hotlines.